Every night at exactly 10:22 p.m., there was an old train that used to run between Landrenhall. Its number 22. This train had been decommissioned years ago, yet some nights it was still seen on the tracks. No one ever saw it depart, but villagers claimed they could hear its whistle echoing through the hills. Back in 1983, Train 22 was involved in a terrible accident. On a foggy night, the conductor lost control and the train derailed, plunging into a ravine. 42 people died. Some bodies were never recovered. The railway was shut down after that, but the stories never stopped. One night, 4 university students decided to investigate the legend. Armed with cameras, flashlights, and a bit too much courage, they went to the abandoned station. At exactly 10:22 p.m., they heard a low rumble on the tracks. Then, through the thick fog, an old train emerged, rusted, dark, with shattered windows. But it was moving. The train stopped. Its doors creaked open on their own. Curiosity got the better of them, and the students stepped inside. It was freezing. Their breath turned to mist. In the seats sat shadowy figures. They didn't move, but they had eyes, and they were watching. Suddenly, the train began to move. The students panicked, but the doors were locked. As they moved through the cars, scenes from their pasts began to appear. It was as if the train was reading their fears. In the final car, they found the ghosts of the passengers who had died in the crash. All of them stared silently. The train entered a tunnel. Everything